Hello everyone, I'm Jackson. Yes, it's me again. So what I am gonna do in this video is we will show you how to create a LAN cable through a pretty simple steps, and we will test the cable to see whether it's workable or not. So let's go ahead and check it out. So before we get started, we will need to prepare all the equipment and also the component that will be used. Those things are cable tester, crimping tool, the connector, and the cable. So now the first step we're gonna take is cut off the outer jacket of the cable.
First, we need to measure the length and cut off the outer jacket of the cable. Twist the outer jacket during cutting can more easy to remove it. After remove the outer jacket, separate out and untwist them.
After that, we will need to arrange the wire according to the color code.
Now, arrange the 8 wires according to their color sequence, which follow the sequence T568A or T568B standard. For mine, which is T568A, the colors order is important to get correct. This is because if the color sequence is wrong, it will affect the whole project feel. For the T568A standard colors are white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. After arrange the wire, you must remember to double check with the picture again. Then, punch the wires between finger and straighten them. And now, you need to take the connector to compare with the wire. And because have to be very careful, so I checked 3 times. Use the scissor to make a sharp cut across the 8 wires to shorten them. After cut, we need to ensure that all the wires are in the same line. Then carefully push all the wire into the RJ44 connector, and also push the wires until the wires to end of the connector. And check from the different view to make sure it connects all the wires are touched to the end of the connector.
And after done all of that, now is the time to climb the chip of the connector.
Carefully place the connector into the crimping tools and cinch down on the handles tightly. When you hear a click sound, which means you have already successfully.
And now, the last step we're gonna take is testing the cable with a cable tester to see whether the cable is workable or not. So now, you need to plug in one of the head of the cable to the cable tester and then plug in another head to the second part of the cable tester. So when you turn on, the light moves simultaneously, which means that you have already successfully created an effective LAN cable. So we hope that this video is helping you guys, and if you like this video, please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.